Arithmetic deals with specifics. 5 plus 3 is 8. But what if you wanted to write a rule that works for any number? Instead of writing 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4 forever, algebra lets us simply write 2x. That single term represents every doubling calculation in existence. This is the core power of algebra, using letters, called variables, as containers for numbers we don't know yet, or quantities that can change. Let's make it concrete. Imagine you have 2 boxes, each with the same unknown number of coins, plus 3 loose coins. We can define the unknown as x. 2 boxes of coins becomes 2x. Add the loose ones, and you have the algebraic expression 2x plus 3. It's a perfect description of the situation, even without knowing the final count. Every part of an algebraic expression has a name, a function. Take a plumber's fee, 80h plus 50. The letter h is the variable. It represents the hours worked. The number attached to it, 80, is the coefficient. It tells you how many. In this case, $80 per hour. The number standing alone, 50, is the constant. It's the fixed call-out fee that never changes. And a quick secret, if you just see a variable by itself, like x, its coefficient is an invisible 1. Algebra also has its own shorthand to be more efficient. We hide multiplication signs, so 80 times h just becomes 80h. We use a fraction bar for division. This specialized grammar lets us build powerful rules or formulas that are programmed into the world around us. The area of a rectangle, the speed of a car, the fare on a taxi app, all are driven by simple algebraic expressions. It's the language we use to give a machine one rule that can solve a million different problems.